This is the tribal region of Jhabua, with beautiful landscaping among the high and low hills. As soon as the bright saffron-colored tesu flowers, locally known as Kesudi flowers, bloom in the month of Fagun, the enchanting colors of tribal folk culture also begin to spread all around. Dressed in colorful traditional attire, these tribal dance vigorously to the beats of their musical instruments. Mandal's rhythm, the melody of the flute and the tune of the thali, while letting out joyful calls. The Bhagoria Haat, held in different villages and towns for 7 days before Holi, is the biggest folk festival of the region. The Bhagoria Folk Festival has now started gaining fame, not only in India but also across the world. Surely, now your heart must be eager to visit this place, isn't it?
मतलब हमको ऐसा लगता है कि अपन पढ़े लिख के मतलब अपना जो कल्चर है कि नहीं उसको मतलब बरकरार रखना चाहिए, इसलिए हमने भी सोचा कि अपना कल्चर वापस से मतलब पहनना चाहिए.
Come, let us take you to the Bhagoria Haat, markets of the Jhabua region, where you won't be able to stop yourself from dancing.
ચાલવો અમુ ભોંગર્યો દેખણ જાજેવો સાત દાડા અલગ અલગ ભોંગર્યામાં જાસુઆ હેલી ચાલવો અમુ ભોંગર્યો દેખણ જાજેવો.
This is the tribal dominant region of Jhabua and Alirajpur, located in western Madhya Pradesh, bordering Gujarat and Maharashtra. The majority of the population here consists of Bhil and Bhilala tribals. After being free from farming or returning from outside for livelihood, the tribals buy new, shiny clothes and silver jewelry for Bhagoria. Wearing silver is considered auspicious. Identical outfits are a mark of their Falia. Falia are the parts of a village settled separately like neighborhoods. Before going to Bhagoria, the girls dress up beautifully. They wear jewelry, a bindi shines on their foreheads, and a long smile graces their faces.
કઈની ડ્રેસ લેવાની, કઈની ડ્રેસ પહેરવાની, કઈના ગહેના પહેરવાના, તે કઈના એના ભગોરિયાન પહેરવા હારું એક એકથી ગહેના લઈએ હું બજારમાંથી ખરીદીએ. તેને બાદ હું ભારી ઉત્સાહથી તૈયાર થઈએ. તેને બાદ હું ભગોરિયા હાટમાં જઈએ અને ઝૂલા ઝૂલીએ. ઝૂલા ઝૂલને બાદ હું પાન ખાઈએ, ખૂબ મસ્તી કરીએ, ખૂબ એન્જોય કરીએ. અને ભગોરિયા હાટ અમારા ભારી મોટો તહેવાર છે.
The tribals reach Bhagoria dancing and singing along with their fellow villagers, relatives and friends. There is a special craze for swings at the Bhagoria Haat. Children, women, men and the elderly, everyone enjoys a ride.
झूला झूले, मगोर में झूले, आधे डॉलर में झूले, बहुत मजा आया.
The fun of Bhagoria is incomplete without the flavors of sugarcane, jalebi, pan, pakoda, kulfi and ice gola.
झूले खाई, लस्सी कराई.
तो मजा आया?
हाँ मजा आया.
कितना आया?
बहुत मजा आया. मन्ने आवड़े.
In this era of selfies, photo studios are in high demand. With one click after another, frames of memories keep forming. In fact, during the princely era, many Bhil and Bhilala kings ruled this region. Before Holi, these kings would gather all the people to celebrate the Bhagoria festival. This tradition, which began in the village of Bhagor in the past, led to the festival being named Bhagoria. Relatives also used this occasion to check in on each other once a year. Since then, the rich tradition of the Bhagoria folk festival has remained alive. Their traditional weapons are the bow and arrow and the slingshot.
भगोर गांव में आदिवासी राजो साल में एक बार बुलाने नासाड़तो कुदारतलो और खुशियां मनाड़िन मुकेलतलो राजो ती यहाँ को दो अगला बाजारों में एरो प्रचार प्रसार होइए और दूसरा हाटों में भी मनाने लग गया।
इतनी मन में खुशी रहे कि मतलब सब काम धाम छोड़ी लोग पलायन पर भी होए कामे नहीं गया हो मजदूरी करवा भी नहीं गया हो त्या सब बदा आवी जाए रिश्तेदार ढोले नाचे गीतू गावे कई ना रिश्तेदारों ने घेरे तिहूँ कन रुपया मांगे ये सब हमारी संस्कृति में से।
The men attending Bhagoria bring along their traditional attire as well as bows, arrows and slingshots. The glow on their faces as they play the flute reflects how relevant this ancient culture tradition still is. The joy of this celebration is truly a sight to behold. From the collector to the chief minister, every participant in Bhagoria, the government is preparing to grant Bhagoria the status of a state festival. As a precaution, CCTV cameras are installed and strict arrangements are made to maintain law and order. During Bhagoria, the sweet and captivating sounds of folk dances echo through every village and falia. Nature, too, seems to become a part of this grand celebration. In the region, if one doesn't sip the freshly extracted tadi from the tal tar trees in the month of Fagun, what's the real fun? Tadi is a beverage that initially tastes like coconut water, but over time, the tadi extracted from the tree develops a mild, intoxicating effect. The tadi tree is a symbol of prosperity among tribals. It is considered their status symbol, and without it, hospitality is deemed incomplete.
एना मतलब आखा दाड़ा में 3 वक्त चढ़ने पड़े 3 बार एना कातेर पोछो वायरे पहरावे बुको बांधनो मोखड़ा आवे भवारे महाड़े ढाकन पड़ती बढ़िया ताड़ी पड़े। हाँ ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी दूसरा बदले तो मतलब नहीं पर हमारा आदिवासी के लिए ताड़ बहुत ज़रूरी इनांग फिन मतलब बारो नाचने में कूदने में भारी मस्ती आवे।
The special breed of rooster Kadaknath is a unique identity of Jhabua. It has GI tagging. Its taste is truly exceptional. The rich flavors of dal pania and maize roti seem to linger on the tongue.